Hey Rainbow Elf Squad, it's Lavelle Luna and I'm back with another Grace's World reaction, and we're reacting to Stop Snowing, and I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know what's going to happen. But before we find out, as always, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button to be a part of the Rainbow Elf Squad. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out any future content. And without further ado, let's get reacting!
Wow, what a great movie! What did you think, dear?
It was alright.
Alright?
I liked it. Me too. Tommy?
A movie night sounds fun. Oh, he fell asleep.
Aww, he's asleep.
Now he doesn't know how the movie ends.
He's had a big day. He went shopping with me.
And he was swimming in the pool for ages. And he was dancing with us too.
So it's
Wow,
no wonder he's
sounds
tired.
like he's had a
Poor
busy
thing.
day.
I'll carry him up and you girls get ready for bed.
Already.
Good job getting Tommy into bed without waking him.
He's so tired, I don't think anything would have woken him.
Good night.
Good night, dear.
Oh, Tommy's snoring.
Is that Tommy?
Yes, I've never heard him snore like that before.
What should we do?
Leave him. I'm sure it won't last long.
Okay.
Oh, we'll see about that.
I can't take it anymore.
I'm going to wake him. No, Tommy. Tommy, wake up.
Daddy? What's wrong?
Nothing. You were just a little noisy in your sleep.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Good night.
Good night, Tommy.
Good night.
Not
There he goes again.
I'm sleeping downstairs.
Oh, I was going to do that.
Sorry.
Ah, what a great sleep. Come on, Mummy, get up.
I'm too tired.
Great. Now I have a sore neck from sleeping on the sofa.
Why were you
Poor
sleeping on
Ken.
the sofa?
Because someone kept us up all night. Didn't they, Barbie?
Now Barbie
Mommy?
is tired.
Oh, sorry. What was that?
Hey. Where are you going?
To practice my soccer. I'm going to practice all day so I can get really good.
Oh, great.
Well, don't practice too hard. Make sure you get plenty of rest.
Don't be silly, Daddy.
Oh, he's not snoring.
I'm surprised
Oh,
with all
just
that
wait
running
and
around
see.
he did all day.
This is great. Now we can get a good night's sleep.
Good night.
Good night.
Wait for it. Yep.
You have to be joking.
I'm getting
And
a
that's
sofa
why
tonight.
I don't snore in my sleep.
Oh. You want to sleep in this room, Tommy?
What? Yes, please. Huh? What's going on?
Tommy wants to sleep in your bed.
But
Look at that face. Are you going to say no to that face?
I'll say no. Me too.
Thanks,
Are you
girls.
kidding?
Tommy is going to love it. Good night, everyone.
Don't you come on my side. Yeah, you stay in the middle. Okay.
Well,
He's sleeping in the twins' bed.
yes. Good thinking, Ken.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
When is Tommy going to get his own bed?
What is that? I think he's snoring. He sounds like a bulldozer. Tommy, wake up. Tommy, what? What's wrong? You are being very noisy. You keep snoring like that and the house is going to fall down. Really?
No, it's not.
I didn't hear
Stop being
anything.
dramatic.
Well, keep it down, please. We need our beauty sweep. I'll try. Thank you. Good night. Good night.
Not.
Make it stop. Make it stop.
What a wonderful day.
I feel so energized.
Me too. I had a good sweep.
Girls, eat your breakfast.
We're too tired. Yeah, someone kept us awake all night. I didn't hear anything. Well, there's no way you're sweeping in our bed again, mister. Oh, come on.
Thanks, girls. Tommy had so much fun sleeping here last night.
But...
Okay, see you in the morning.
Not one sound, little brother. Okay, good.
Well, we'll see.
No. This can't be happening. What are we going to do? I have an idea.
Oh, what's your idea? Oh, she moved Tommy to Chelsea's room.
What? What's that noise? Tommy? How did you get here? Tommy? Oh, hi Auntie Chelsea. What are you doing here?
The twins
The
moved
girls said
him
I
in,
could sleep
in
here
there.
tonight. Did they now? Your bed is really comfortable. Alright, you can stay here, but keep quiet. No problem. Tommy.
He's probably
There is
he
no
probably
way
has
he's
no
sleeping in
idea
my room
that he
again.
is snoring.
Oh, my
Maybe
room.
because he's in a deep
my
sleep.
room. We both have the same room, Annabelle. Oh, yeah.
Well, he's not sleeping in our bed with that snoring.
So where's he going to sleep?
Get him his own bed.
I have just the place. I could have dropped Tommy off. That's fine. I was out anyway. You behave yourself, Tommy.
I will. Come on, Matt.
See you tomorrow. Bye, and thank you.
Is he gone?
He sure has.
Woo! Ah.
Oh, I wonder
Who could
who
that
that
be?
is.
I have no idea.
Oh no, what's wrong? Sorry, but Tommy can't sleep at our house tonight.
Why not?
He's too noisy. His snoring is waking everyone in the house.
Snoring? We've never heard him snore, have we, dear?
Not at all. maybe you should try again. And
Oh,
sorry.
yes, you have.
See you next time. But
I don't know what they're talking about. I don't snore.
Oh well, looks like you're sleeping in Chelsea's room tonight.
Nuh-uh.
okay. Looks like you're sleeping in the twins' room.
No way, mister.
Alright.
That's okay. I'll just sleep in your bed tonight.
No.
Alright, Rainbow Elf Squad, that concludes our Grace's World reaction. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And stay tuned for more Grace's World reactions. Always be kind, and until next time.